Think of identity management like airport security. Every traveler, user needs a passport identity to prove who they are, a boarding pass authentication method to verify their permissions, a customs officer access control system to decide where they can go. Why is it important? Cybercriminals steal user credentials to access sensitive data. Poor identity security can lead to ransomware attacks, insider threats, and data breaches. Key components of identity security. Authentication verifies if users are who they say they are. Authorization determines what they can access. Privileged Access Management, PAM, secures high-level admin accounts. User versus privileged accounts. Standard users, regular employees with limited access. Privileged users, admins with high-level access. Example: a regular employee can log into Teams and Outlook but can't change security settings. An IT admin can create and delete users, reset passwords, and change security policies. Role-based access control, RBAC. RBAC ensures that users only get the access they need for their job. Real-world example: a bank teller can access customer transactions but can't approve loans. A loan officer can approve loans but can't manage IT systems. A branch manager has more control but can't access everything. Passwords alone are not enough for secure authentication. They are vulnerable to attacks and breaches, making them unreliable. Assign roles instead of giving full admin access. Examples of roles: global administrator, full control, use with caution. Help desk admin can reset passwords but can't change security settings. Billing admin manages invoices but can't access user accounts. Protecting privileged access with multi-factor authentication, MFA. Why is MFA critical? Passwords alone are not enough. Hackers can steal or guess passwords, but MFA adds an extra layer of protection. Example: if an attacker steals your banking password, MFA will require a one-time code on your phone to verify it's really you. How to enable MFA in Microsoft Entra ID. Go to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Navigate to Security, Multi-Factor Authentication. Enable MFA for all users, especially admins. Best practice: require MFA for all remote logins and high-risk activities. Implementing Privileged Identity Management, PM. 4.1. What is PIM? PM is like a VIP keycard that only works when needed. Instead of giving permanent admin access, it allows temporary access for critical tasks. Example: instead of giving a janitor 24/7 access to the CEO's office, you give them temporary access for cleaning hours only. Users request elevated permissions when needed. Admins approve or deny the request. The access is time-limited and automatically removed after use. How to set up PIM in Microsoft Entra ID. Go to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Navigate to Privileged Identity Management, Azure AD roles. Choose roles that require approval, for example, Global Administrator. Set an expiration time for admin access. Best practice: use PIM plus MFA for maximum security. What is Zero Trust? Never trust, always verify. Zero Trust assumes all users and devices are untrusted until proven otherwise. Old security model: if you're inside the network, you're trusted. New security model: prove your identity every time. Least privilege: only give users the access they absolutely need. Continuous verification: re-authenticate users frequently. Assume breach: design systems as if a hacker is already inside. Require MFA for all users. Enforce conditional access policies, for example, block logins from unknown locations. Limit privileged access using PIM. Detecting suspicious login activities. Signs of a compromised account. Login attempts from different countries within minutes. Logins happening outside working hours. Multiple failed password attempts. Enable risk-based conditional access. Set up automated alerts for suspicious logins. Require MFA for risky sign-ins. Microsoft Sentinel analyzes login patterns and detects potential security breaches. Example: if an admin logs in from Russia at 3 a.m., Sentinel flags the login and requires extra verification. Identity is the new security perimeter. Protect user accounts like your life depends on it. MFA plus PM = maximum security. Always use multi-factor authentication and privileged identity management. Use Zero Trust. Never trust a device or user without verification. Monitor and automate security. Use Microsoft Sentinel to detect threats. Ready to secure identities like a pro? Let's get started. Now it's time to take action. Start by evaluating your current identity management practices and identify areas for improvement. Implement strong authentication methods and explore SSO solutions. These steps will enhance your security posture significantly. Remember, securing your cloud environment is an ongoing process. Stay informed and adapt to new security challenges as they arise. Take the first step today. Review your identity management strategy and make the necessary changes to protect your digital assets.